Good morning, creatures and entities. Put my morning glasses on. It's very early for me, so I'm just gonna relax and, not worry about anything. There's absolutely nothing to be concerned with. Yep, everything's fine. Don't need to worry about anything. Today we are going into, let's just go straight into some game dev. Yeah, everything around here is normal. Perfectly normal. Just gonna get right into this. Oh, interesting. I was gonna have a Twitch chat pop up on screen here, but OBS is ignoring itself, so it's not showing up. Huh. This is OBS here. That's fine. I'll just have this off to the side for my own reference. I'll make that big. There we go. So, last night I spent like 20-30 minutes trying to get something to work. And this morning, right before stream, I found the solution. Why couldn't that have happened on stream? Well, I figured it out. So if I go in here... So, the discovery of an item where it's supposed to be worked when I placed it, but not when I pushed it into place. And now it works. Hold on. It's my... Okay. But now it works. All I had to do is declare a variable inside the script, which I did not know you could do. And that did it. GalvTools event underscore event ID. It seems so obvious now, but now it unsets the self switch inside the placed item, which makes it work. So if I go in here, yes, I don't think I made any changes, but sure. Go in here. This guy wants a triangle. So let's place one down. I need to change that back. But I push it, and it works. He loves it. So, problem solved. Just go back into here and fix this. Wait, where is it? No, it's in placeables. There we go. And it works for everything, even objects that don't have a self switch set up. Well, all events have a self switch. It's just some of them aren't using it, so that's fine. If this is on or off, it doesn't matter. So that's all I need to do, which makes me very happy. Which means now I can move on to something else. And what should we move on to? Oh yeah. I have this little sprite up here. We need to go in and work on some quests. Oh, I don't want music. I want Notepad. There we go. Talk to Nemo for your lesson. The second one will be I hope this isn't too long. What's this first one? Oh yeah, the objectives are the first line. Which I probably won't need for most of these quests. Quest 1. Go to Nemo's. Talk to Nemo for your lesson. See Nemo. There'll be fewer characters. Place a save. Just have to delete that. That should be fine. If these are too long, they'll just run off the screen and you won't see them. I wonder if I could put a variable in here. Like instead of you have so many, collect recipes. Instead of you have so many, it could be you have X recipes, and it'll always show you how many you have. But I don't think that's necessary because I don't have a set number of recipes you need to get. I should. Yawn, yawn, yawn. So we need to go back to my house. Oh, okay. So it'll be the first one, yes. Quest 1, resolution 0, see Nemo for your lesson. And then when we get there, it'll be 1-1. So, he says, hope you're ready to take your first step to become a world famous chef. Oh, I should... Okay, let's duplicate this page. There are 4 skills, you can cycle through these. Huh. I don't want to give too much information at once. I need to like rework this entire thing. Hope you're ready to take your first steps as a famous chef. There are 4 basic skills you need: cook, destroy, push, and rotate. You can cycle through these by pressing these buttons. Here, and I'll take this recipe for a safe jump. Let's change this. Now cook a save gem. And put it right next to me. And we don't need that, don't need that. Or there we go. That can go, that can go, that can stay. Oh! Wait. I was editing the wrong page! It's okay, I can copy that. Paste it. And delete the first page. First page, page 1. Place this next to me, page 2. Is the way it was before. Good. It's this one. Cycle through skills by pressing pages. Okay. Is this Sonic? Oh no, but it's Phantasy Star. It's on the Genesis. It sounded like Sonic, and that's why. All right. Set your tool to cook and you shift Alright, I was gonna say to my side, but I don't want to make a separate event for his left side, his right side, in front of him, behind him. I want one spot where this is gonna go. Put it right next to me, right in front. In front to me. Right in front of me. So save gem. There we go. You don't need two of them. Set resolution. I've already done that. Good. And then this will be a variable. Right? Aha. That's where I put them. Q1. Yeah, okay. How do you say perfect in Italian? I think it's perfetta. I just feel like this guy should be Italian. Perfetta, yeah. Or perfetto. Secrets of Blink Island. Thank you for purchasing Blink Island. And then you kinda, sorta customize your character. Yeah. And then we begin. Yeah, I'm working on this game where you can place items, sort of craft things. It's not really crafting, but well, you'll see in a minute. And then you explore this gigantic island. It's going to be great. First of all, quests. That's not correct. I didn't save it. I'm gonna have to do this again. All right, that's fine. Save. Out streaming here. It's great. Whoop. I'm streaming here. Burr. You cold, man? If I check my quests, hey, that's working. Oh, but I need to actually program the location. So ID is 3, 16, 5. So switch A on. Let's auto run. $16.5. There we go. Save placed. Okay. So that should work. Placing object. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? I don't think the track description's exactly accurate. Hold on, this might be better. It's fine if he says it twice. Now, cook up a save gem and place it. Alright, that should do it for everything for this quest. And I'm gonna start us here. I'm sick of going through the intro over and over again. Let's see how this works. Quests. Go to Nemo's. Get your first lesson from Chef Nemo. See Nemo for your lesson. Okay. Cesare, you're finally here. Now, there are 4 basic skills. Shift or controller's X is how you use your skill. Take this recipe for a save gem. Quests. It's changed. Perfect. More Christmas. I kind of don't want any more Christmas. Excuse me while I fix this. Did I fix my problem? I did in like 3 minutes after my stream. How long was I looking for a solution? For like 20, 30 minutes? I got up this morning and I'm like, okay, let me check real quick to see if anyone has a solution. And it did. It was one line of code and it fixed everything. So now I'm just chilling and working on some quests. Also, I'm changing the music right now because everything's Christmas. And my stream ain't Christmas. Let's try something different. This one has a raccoon. Okay, I'm digging that. All right, back to this. Quests. Place a save next to Nemo. So, and you son of a... Oh, it just took a minute. You did it. Sweet. Piece of cake. Why did that take so long? That should have been instantaneous. Event touch. That's why. That's auto run, please. Thank you. Let's try that again. Cesare, come over right away. I shouldn't do an Italian accent. I'm not good at it. But I just can't help it. It's gonna happen. Okay, and yes, it's a game. Oh, and this guy. Need to work on his for a bit. Gone Mad, hope you're having a good morning. You gonna stream today? Okay, so this guy's filthy and he needs his shower stuff. Have this here out of the way. I can see chat here. You can't. I think if I have it up here, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Make it real small. How about that? There we go. Oh, but it goes away. There. Oh, that works out lovely. Okay. How do I want to do this? Do I want to have like NPCs in a cave or something? Also, I don't know if this quest really even makes sense considering the theme of the game. I want to have some sort of quest out here. Not just the one thing you have to do here, but... Right, Conrad here should have some sort of goal, some sort of dream that he wants to achieve, and we have to help him. I need to plan this all out. Alright, this is a bit silly. What else we got? Cozy winter jazz. What have I done? Okay, that works. What is trash can doing here? I don't need this. So by this point in the game, you'll have... Okay, I don't need this one. You're gonna have a tent, a triangle, and a save button. Eventually I'm gonna put in like a store where you can buy items. So I'm gonna need to have money somehow, like probably in chests, or you do jobs for people. So I have two quests which are pretty much the same. Place an object in front of me. Oh, I need to add something here. kind of want to avoid like fetch quests because I know a lot of people don't like them. I think it'd be fine if it's like a trading sequence like in Zelda, like all over the map. I kind of enjoy that one. But for little Conrad in town, I don't think there's anything fulfilling about him just being like, hey, go walk over there, collect the thing, bring it back to me. I think it needs to be a bit more than that. I don't really know what other kinds of things I could have in the game. I could do a bunch of other puzzles. It could be like, hey, show me a thing that has 4 corners, and you can place a little square. But I don't know about that. I could have it so you box him in. That'd be a bit more complicated. I don't know. Well, let's take a break from this and maybe try to add another plugin. Why not? Custom title. Oh wow, look at that. So I could have something pretty impressive. I'm not gonna have text written on the screen. I'm just gonna have the logo that I drew up, which took a long time to make. Maybe a scrolling background. Nothing going on there. There's a start image. Okay, well, let's put everything into place first. And get me the script. Custom title. I believe I have other plugins for the title which I need to disable. Let's see, custom logo, no. Title commands, I want to leave that on, I think. Galva custom title. CMD width. Oh, command width. Start image. I need to make a start image. For now, it can be I'll make it the loading image for now. Start show once? What does that mean? True or false? If press start image will only show once or every time? Huh. Well, if everything's just vanilla, let's see what it looks like. Okay, well, we need to put our title together. So, let's make a background. Wait a minute. I want to do this in 3D and have it spin around, but the image has to be flat and long. So I think I need to make this an image sequence. I'm not sure this is going to work. But let's see what we can do. Let's make this 64. And whoop. Let's put some stuff on it. Let's put this guy here. Okay. Just need a whole bunch of random stuff here. Okay, that ought to be okay. Now we need a camera. This camera needs to be pretty flat. Portrait. Okay, and I want these to be linear. How does this look rendered? Perfect, okay. The bottom looks good. I think this should work. $720, that's fine. Frame rate. Jeez, frame rate. I don't want to make 60 of these. Okay. I don't think this is going to work the way I want it to. What a shame. Well, I think I'll just have to like make a sky background or something. Brushes. Oh no. That's not what I want. What is this? What? I guess that's okay. And then down here I'll put some trees. These should be palm trees, I think. Trees of various sizes. There we go. And then some buildings. Yeah, this could work. Make that huge, take down the contrast a bit. Have the title on top. This could be good. That's just looking like a big mouth. I'm liking the look of this. Yeah. I'm going to put some random shapes. I don't even know what these are supposed to be. And then that's my background. I just need to blow it up a bit. And let's change these colors. So I want the white to be what? This. And I want the black to be the lighter color. tanks. Now this is going to be the background of our title screen. Actually, I think it's still a bit too small. How big are the title screens? $800 by 624. Oh yeah. Let me be quite big. 624. No, 3000. Yeah, 624. There we go. All right, save as. Cool. Pictures, logo. I think I do that here in system. Okay. Title screen images. Wait. Images. Oh, I see. Wait, what did I call that? Untitled. Why did I call it untitled? See how that looks. It looks okay. Yeah. It doesn't. It looks bad. I don't like the colors, and I need to put that movement in there. Starts. I don't need an animated sprite. Hold on a second. How come his moves and mine doesn't? Yeah, see, this one has a nice little scrolling effect, which I want only left to right. Title text? No. Title start. Advanced layer graphics? Set up for layer graphics. See, hope. This field is for setting up layer graphics using graphics from parallaxes. Oh. So this shouldn't even be here. Right click, open with paint. All right, I want to make this look a little bit nicer. I hate to bring color into it, but I feel like I should. No. I'm just gonna make it brighter. Okay, so file name, title, map 1, and then xmove 1, 0, 255. Wait, what's Z? What is Z? All right, back to the example project. Oh, wrong guy. Title, custom title. What does Z mean? I don't even get it. I guess I'll just make it 0. X move, Y move, opacity Z. What is Z? Oh, title image. What? Oh. That's the image it needs to replace. And 0 would be correct. Okay. I think that's right. We're about to find out. And it is not doing anything. All right. What did I do wrong? Layer graphics, title map 1, 20255, 0. And this is in the parallaxes folder. When adding your layers and sprites, use values to position them between the above. Oh, it's underneath. Okay, what if I put it there? Haha! Hey, that looks pretty good. I actually like that. Okay. And then I can fix this up later. Yeah. Girls has a nifty title screen. All right. And then that needs to be put down here. Right in the middle? Okay. We have ourselves a title screen. I think I'm gonna spruce up the background there a little bit later. For right now, it's something. Right now, I want to give the player a few more items here, so I should create a shop somewhere. Now you talk to Nemo, he tells you to go out and find as many recipes as possible. You go into the cave for some reason. I think that's where Conrad could come in handy. He could tell you to go into the cave. I think we just need to completely rewrite his quest because it's stupid. So he doesn't really care about showering. He was not kicked out of his parents' house. He wants a little memento from the cave, I think. Go bring me something nice from the cave. I think that's what it's gonna be. I don't know why I called it After Dinner Cave, but that's the way it's gonna be. If I weren't so scared, I'd go in there myself. He's afraid of the dark. Okay, if I weren't so afraid of the dark, I would go explore it. Scared, hey, how's it going? Good to have you here. Just doing some game dev. I'm trying to figure out this quest here. That cave is so fascinating, but I'm scared of it. If you ever head in there, hold on, just put that on a new thing. Picking me up. Some merch, a keepsake. What would be a fun word to use here? Would you mind picking me up a little memento? What's the word I'm looking for? You go on vacation, you bring people back a I don't know. Something cool. There we go. Then that activates and that's over. Conrad given on, yes. Sound effect, quest activated. And then that's on. There. Easy. And quest complete, and then that's over. I don't really have to change much on his end. I just need to change the quest itself. And then this quest 3 shower items needs to be off. It's gonna be a switch instead. Keep 3. Whoop. Keepsake for Conrad. That's when you get the triangle. And then self switches on, and then that's it. Okay, and then it's gonna be something in the cave. But we don't need these trash cans. Or wait, do we? Okay, I was just gonna completely redo this, but I think it'd be pretty funny if you find some garbage and you bring it back to him. And he's like, wow, it's amazing. That's what I'm doing. Oh, but the problem I was having before, you can't find it before he gives you the quest. Okay, I think I got it figured out. Self switch on after you find a thing. I don't need that really at all. Someone threw away some. It's not going to be soap. There's a crusty old sock in here. Yes. Keep Zack for Conrad on. Before you get the quest, you have no reason to dig around in the trash yet. Perfect. Then once you get the quest, you can dig around, get the sock, and that turns on switch 43. Perfect. Now let's change the quest. We don't need this. And we don't need this. Don't need objectives, don't need that. Conrad wants something from the cave. There we go, that's it. Yeah. Done. Quest complete. Wow, you... Oh. Found this in the cave? It's amazing. I'm gonna keep it under my pillow. You deserve a reward. Take this triangle. Got the triangle. Quest complete. So switch on. This smell makes me sick, but I feel like I don't know, but I feel like a real caveman. That's it. That's the quest. All right, let's play through this a little bit. Come to the kitchen. New quest. And I should move him up here. He's way out of the way. You might never see him. Oh, that's not the name of the quest anymore. Oh, and that needs formatted. Boom. Into the cave. Oh. The music keeps playing. That's fine. That'll be fixed on its own when I put music in the town. Alright, what I want to do is take away this and make it all resolutions instead. What should I call this quest? He wants something from the cave. What? What is the word I'm looking for? Not keepsake or memento. Trinket. You go on vacation, you bring people back some. I know there's a word. For now, it's just going to be this Carnide wants thing. I wonder if that can be blank. And that's what we, it's, the word is like hiding somewhere in my brain, like right under the surface. I can almost see it. Pick up a thing for Conrad. I wonder if that's too long. Give Conrad the sock, and then there. Save that. Oh, I tried double clicking on that event to go inside the house as if I were playing the game myself. Okay, so it's quest 3, resolution 0. Resolution 0. And in the cave, we look through the garbage. And this will change this as well. Script. Resolution should be 1. And I don't need that. Okay. And then when the quest is over, change it to 2. Let's see how that do. All right, buddy. Don't crash the game. Conrad wants a thing. Pick up a thing for Conrad. The details are way down there. They're way down here instead of up here, but what are you gonna do? Oh, I need to go start this though. Cesare, you're here. Do the thing, please. Why is the chill music really depressing right now? Quests. Give Conrad the sock. I'd say it's pretty much finished. Then you go back and talk to that guy, he gives you the tent, and it's all good. Okay, what is this? I'm moving on to something else. Oh, that's much better. That music was making me want to cry. So, I suppose the tent isn't an absolutely necessary item, nor is the triangle. So I suppose there's nothing keeping you from just breezing past this and going through the cave. And when you do, this little exit will take you to the next area of the map. So I think that's what I'm gonna make next. I'm gonna make another little area. But before I forget to do this, let's put you right there. New map. Should be pretty large. Let's make it, I don't know, 60 by, well, 60 by like 30. What am I doing? Wrong button, that one. And this will be right outside the cave too. Why is right-clicking not show me the thing I was using? I think it's this one, no. Is it this one? Yes, okay. That's the tile. They all look the same to me. They look good in the game, but in the editor it's kind of a pain. All right. So you come out of the cave, let's say here-ish. I just don't want it to look too much like the previous map. I need to fix this little entrance graphic. It's not good. Oh, that's how I did it. Da King, hello. How's it going? Hold on a second. That's not walkable. Is it? No good, man. Okay, so I guess that is walkable. Okay. Let's spit you out there. You should be facing left. Oh, I don't like that you go up and then you're facing left suddenly, but it shouldn't be that big a deal. The only time that's really a problem is if you're going up and then you're facing down. So then you hold up and you keep going in and out of a place. That's not good. And that should be pretty easy to avoid. Going good, the King. How are you doing? I'm trying to picture in my head what the map is like. So this little river, I suppose, continues up that way. So on this map, oh, you should, whoa, where's the water? That's it. Oh no, that's the wrong water. That's the water I want. Beautiful. Oh, should I have it come up all the way? Yeah. Then you can come down here if you have the springboard, which I'll add in later, probably much later in the game. How long have I been going with it? Man, how long have I been streaming? A few years now. 2, maybe 3. Oh. I think I need to make the hometown a bit wider. More should do it. Because it is indeed an island. There we go. And let's move this guy over a bit. Good, good. That river comes down. And I suppose you could imagine that going down a bit. I like the layout of this. I think I want to make this a little bit of a forest type deal. I need to make some trees. Are there palm tree forests? Or is because whenever I see palm trees in fiction on TV, there's always like 2 or 3 of them, and that's it. And they're always like on the beach. That'd be fun to explore. Yes. I'm gonna add some palm trees. Whoops. That was my music. Come back, please. There we go. All right, we're gonna open up the tile set. Or maybe this is a good opportunity to learn how to make Long Boy sprites, because I haven't done that yet. Ever. I've used RPG Maker MV before, but I'm really used to old RPG Maker 2000, 2003, and then I fell off for a bit. Started using other engines like Unity, Godot, and now I'm back to RPG Maker, but so much has changed. Like, you add a $ sign and you can make gigantic sprites? That's new to me. What's the exclamation point for? I don't get it. I really don't get it. Okay, well, let's change Big Monster. I'm just gonna call it Big Placeable. That's not how you spell placeable, I think. Placeable, placable. I'm not quite sure about my spelling here. Right, we want to view grid. How big is this? It's not 48. How about 96? Is that the size of this? No. Try again. Do I add 8 more? 7, 8, 9, 9, 100 and... That doesn't seem right. Wait. 96, 97, 8, 99, 104. Yeah. I'm just gonna go by 8s until it fits. Almost. That's it. Then with the eraser, let's make it huge. What? And the roots, I'm just gonna put some points down to work off of. Okay. That looks all right. And then I need to make the long leafy bits. I think it was a good move moving the screen away from view before typing the letter P into my search bar. That's what I want the cartoon ones. So I don't even need to make branches. I don't know why in my head I was like, I need to make all these branches, but I don't. Also, we got some stripy deals going on the trunk, but they're really more like scales. Oh wow, there are a whole bunch of different types here. I think I want the palm coconut. It's a classic. I think I made this way too thick. That's a bit better. Okay. Okay. Just kind of struggling on how thick to make these leaves. I think this one is like the real winner here. I like that. Not bad. I think I could save this one if I just bring it out a bit more. Oh yeah, good, good, good. All right, let's do that. There's our tree. But I also want to add the scales. That's not the color I wanted. I think that's perfect. That's a perfect tree. Let's copy it over and do a little animation for it. Just a tiny animation. Oh man, why? Why is Libra Sprite so slow? Like painfully slow. Let's be clever. All the changes are going to be green, and then we'll make the whole thing green. Go up. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let's do one frame at a time. Go up. I want this to go to the left a little bit. And this one will go down a little bit, just a little. Wait. Green. Then white again. Now we copy. Oh, Libra Sprite, come on. Come on. Why are you like this? Fine. Oh boy. So the leaves on the right went down and the left went up. I'm going to do a little bit more of that. After I save, I feel like I should save because this is going to crash any minute. Alright, that's our tree. Oh. Let's see how he looks. Direction fix, stepping, that's it. It's beautiful. It looks great. Look at this. Flowing in the wind. Oh, it's good. And the speed's pretty good too. Question is, how does the collision work? Oh, the collision's perfect. You can walk behind the top. And this bottom you cannot. I'm very satisfied with this. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. How long have I been going? About 2 hours. Just over 2 hours. Alright. Creatures and entities. I'm not leaving. I'm just gonna go on a quick coffee break. I'll be back in like 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave you with this beautiful tree. I'll see you in a quick bit. How long was my mic in my crotch? I got up and it was down there. Hopefully that happened when I got up, but I don't know. Could be like half the stream so far. It was down there and you couldn't hear me. Unless I tooted, then you would have heard me, but not in the way I... Anyway, I got coffee. We're sounding good now, at least. So I got a tree. That's where we are right now. I'm gonna add some more trees. I don't know if I want to make this a placeable item, because you can't rotate it, and really you can't really get creative with a palm tree. So I think this is just going to be a thing that's on the map, and you can't destroy it, can't go around it. No, that's good though. Because maybe I want to have a border that's not water. Just make a bunch of trees. And this is one tile, but it extends to like 3 tiles above where it's placed. That's good. Is this above or behind? It's above. This is perfect. I'm gonna put a bunch of these down here. And then I need to name this place. I'll just call it Palm Forest for now. Make a little border around here. And I need this, I think. Let's put that right there. Exits up here. Doot, doot, doot. All right, I just want to see what this border's like. Gotta get rid of those shadows. I don't know why they're automatically placed. I wish I could turn them off. It's a bit busy, but it doesn't look bad. But it's doing what I wanted it to, visually. I just need to spread some of these out. I guess that'll be the exit. Don't want to make it so dense that you can't have a little building area. Which will be right about here. I'm going nuts with these trees. They're going to be everywhere here. All right, and then put another one of these here. And hold on a second. I kind of need to work out how this gameplay flow is going to work. Because I don't even know if this is going to be the way it shakes out. It's kind of been changing in my head. Let's change city to hometown. And the forest. I should put a graveyard up here. Graveyard. And then let's put another color here. This will be the after dinner cave. What? How should you spell that? Fine. Oh. There we go. Well, that's how lines work. Oh. There. So let's change the color here to like a gray there. Okay, so you start here, you go to after dinner cave, to the forest, to the graveyard. I don't even know if I need these arrows, but here they are. Okay. So it's pretty linear from hometown to cave to forest, and then I think I want to branch it off a little bit. And he can come back, of course. Well, I think the graveyard's going to be kind of a hub for a couple of things. So, the theme of Secrets of Blink Island is dreams and how dreams shape our lives, put simply. So your main character, Cesare, has a dream of being a world-famous chef. And his dream has changed the way his life is on the island. And at the end, we find that the whole island runs on dreams. It's not a dream itself. It's not like a Link's Awakening type of deal. It's more like dreams themselves have some sort of energy to shape the way the island is. Maybe there's a bad guy who's stealing dreams or something, or he's trying to make nightmares or something interesting like that. But basically, you're helping other people with their dreams, or maybe their dreams are trying to hurt your dreams. Or maybe it's a big mystery. I'm not quite sure yet. But I want the gameplay and the experience of exploring the world to shape how this story is. That's why I haven't really come up with the full story yet. I want the gameplay to inform the story rather than the other way around. So, I wonder if this is a bit too early for the graveyard. So you go into the forest, you meet somebody, something happens, and you go into the graveyard where dreams have died, maybe? Be a very early a warning not to let your dreams die. Could be an ominous little area where you're warned, don't give up. Or else. And then from there you can make a choice. Do you go down this path or that path? Thematically, I think that could work. And I just need to figure out what are the areas you go to. What are the areas I want to go to? Do I want to add a city? I think I do. Like a little cool, like, electronics city with arcade games and stuff. That'll be fun. And then, I don't know. Maybe a little farming area would be funny. Like, hey, you want to farm? Oh, too bad. There's no farming in this game. That's going to be in the trailer. No farming. Because that's a big trend in games right now. I don't know, by the time I'm done with this game, maybe that'll be a dead trend. It would be funny to put in a trailer now, but I think it's going to be a while until I'm done with this. So who knows? It's kind of a trope to have the Lost Woods forest where you get lost. I don't know if that started with Zelda, though. I think that's a pretty old thing in folklore. You get lost in the forest. So it's probably not a... I don't know if that'd be cliche or a classic, you gotta do it kind of deal. But yeah, maybe there are people who are in the forest who really don't know what's what. Maybe they've lost something and you need to bring it back, and then they're like, oh yeah, I used to have this thing. Maybe it'll set them back on track and they leave the forest. Maybe that's what I'll do. Anyway, I think for now I should make some sprites because I'm kind of low on them. I want every character to be unique, but I think that's kind of unreasonable. But at any rate, I think I should just have a few in the bank. I shouldn't have closed that. This is the second time I've done that. Come on. Just put this out of the way. Let's grab our little NPC file. There we go. Yeah, I've used all of these guys already. Let's make some giant eyeballs. I think that's what I want to start with. I thought it was going to be kind of cute, but I don't think that's the direction this is going to go. I think it's going to look kind of cursed, which I'm also okay with. Give him a big old smile. And these giant teeth. Let's make him a wide boy. Wait, what happened here? Boop, boop. Oh, I see. Don't know what's going on with the top of his head. Maybe they're little antennae. Yeah, okay. I'm getting some Attack of the Killer Tomatoes vibes from this guy. Which I'm not necessarily keen on keeping. I'm gonna give him huge feet. Oh, he's ridiculous. I kind of love him. Let's make these antennae way out there. He's horrifying. Oh, he's great. I love him. Look at this monstrosity. Okay. Am. Yeah. Perfect. No, I think... No, it's good. It's good. All right, he's perfect. Okay, so far Libra Sprite's not having problems. I guess it's just when it gets real big like that. I love this program. I just wish it ran better. Right, that's one guy. Let's make someone a bit cooler. Give him these one of these looks. Okay. Give him a nice round head. Something like that. Must be careful not to make Batman. I feel like that's where I'm going with this. Batman's ears go this way, So I'm gonna make his little head things go this way instead. Maybe I'll bring them down a bit too. Huh. I kind of like them. And I want to give him like a little sash. Maybe he's on an important errand. It's a very simple look, but I'm into it. I just keep making it worse, huh? That's fine. And I'll just make them bob up and down, and then we're done. I gotta pick up the pace with these guys. Yep. What is going on with the music? It's very depressing. All right, what's this one all about? Okay, I think I don't want synthwave at all. What is chillwave? There we go. Hey, that works. Some Zelda music. Alright, that's good. Just a couple pixels out of place, and it's an animation. That's two little guys. A third. I made a scary big guy. I made a little cool guy. Could do another little neutral NPC type of deal. Let's make him weird though. Check this out. He is indeed weird. I don't know what this is. I need to make some changes here. I love him. All right, let's do the animation. Instead of going down, I'm gonna go up. That's great. I should make his belly go up a little bit too. This music reminds me of the Sonic Mega Collection, specifically on the PS2. I don't know if the music's the same on like GameCube. I know there are subtle differences, but this is like the menu music when you go into like read a comic or something. Or maybe it's like the game select screen. I don't know. It's very similar to me though. I don't think moving that was a good idea. It's hard to see the animation in my head as I'm editing these. That's fine. That'll work. That's fine. I'm done. And that's another little guy. We got 3. I could do this all day, but I don't have a whole lot of time left. I wanna that. Hold on, I do have a message here. I want to check real quick. Oh, I gotta. Oh my god, I love that. Someone sent me something that I really want. it comes in different colors. Anyway, people gotta stop distracting me. All right, back to game dev. Right, we need to make someone specifically for the forest, so they should look a bit lost. I'm gonna give them long, droopy eyes. Very sad. Should I make him like a little hot dog man? I think I'm gonna make him a little hot dog man. I kind of want to put a little butt down here, but maybe not. Gotta make his arms a bit stronger. Okay, this music is kind of depressing now again. What is, people confuse depressing with chill and relaxed. There we go, that's nice. Pleasant. Oh, little wiener man. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Wiener Man is complete. Just need to flip that, and there we go. Maybe I can make every character in the game unique. I want to give this one really wide eyes. I'm gonna give this guy the most exaggerated movements. I was gonna give this guy a 2-frame animation, but I think I need to do something different. Oh. Okay, this is starting to turn out. Okay. He's kind of doing that Russian dance where you kick out. That's not exactly what I'm going for. I think I'm gonna have his hands. Let's put him down here. Like he's got him placed down between his legs. Let's make that look not so much like something else. That's good. Okay. Libra Sprite, you need to work. You need to function properly. Okay, he's looking good. I like him. Okay, I'm done with this. Can we... Water Temple, Rito Village Day. I hate how they put the ocean waves on every single track. Knock it off. Alright, I want something else. Chiptune Radio. What do we got here? Oh, that's so much better. I was going to sleep. I was getting sad. All that music is just depressing. Whew. Next guy. I've already done 5. What am I putting off? Oh yeah, this. Working on the forest area. How do you make that interesting? Well, I got trees. I think I just need people wandering around. Maybe I'll put a little campfire in there. Let's make a little campfire. Right about here. Give her one of those. One of these. And then I think I just put some random flames in here. Alright, here's a challenge. I need to animate this in 4 frames to make it look a bit seamless as it goes back to frame 1. I think I can do it. Just gotta do it one little flame at a time. So we're going from top to bottom, and I'm looking at this guy on the left in particular. So it moves up a little bit. It slowly disappears while a new flame starts underneath it, which becomes the first frame. Flame and frame. First flame is first frame. Flame, frame. I'm realizing if I say that word incorrectly, it's still correct. Cool. Why don't I make the first frame I work on here this? That one's a little bit more chaotic. Oh, but this one will be real easy. I think that's good. I need to test this out. Yes, save game. Then we open it back up. Hold on a second. Steam launch. Okay. My house. Wait, where them people? There we go. Oh, Wait, which direction's which? Down, left, right, up. Okay, let's make that a lot faster. All right. That's not bad. And interacting with it doesn't really hurt anything. Okay, two of those frames in the middle look very similar. Which one? These two. Hold on. So from that one to this one. Okay. All right, that's still kind of, it's, It looks like it's... I think I need to start over from the beginning here. All right, let's make this the first frame. There. And then second frame, it moves up a little bit. Okay, the third frame is the first. And I'll put that down there. Okay, and then the last one, let's just erase everything. So it should be 1. Oh, I'm confusing myself. Oh! First frame is this one. Then we're 1 up on this one. We're 2 up on this one. So we should be right there. That's where we want to be. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Four, and then should be kind of building a little bit. All right, let's see how that looks. Hey, check it out. That's not too bad. I believe that's a campfire. I might want to tie these side pieces together a bit. Oh, I don't need that. There you go. Okay, I like it. It's good. It's a fire. Good enough. Let's put it in the forest, huh? But where? Right there. And then we'll have a guy there. It'll be great. Oh. All right, you know what? I think that's a good place to stop. I am rocking out. Man, it took me a while to find some good music. All right, I think I'm done with everything today. I'm gonna go get some lunch. It's about lunchtime. I have about 10-20 minutes left, but I kind of don't want to work anymore. I just want to hang out. How you doing, man? What's up? And look at all this work we got done so far. I made some beautiful trees. A whole bunch of buddies. All these freaks are going to be in my game, and I love them. They're my babies. And that's it. I got working on some cool stuff. Oh, man, my hair is really messy. Did I not brush my hair today? I probably didn't. I just got up and started streaming. I'm always trying to make things that are like stupid and fun and pointless.